But we made it. I can't wait to show you guys the video. The place. We gotta calm this down. That invisible part is bomb though. But I can't wait to show you guys. I'm in the island. I'm in full black because it was really, really cold in the freaking plane. So anyways, I can't wait to show you guys. I'm excited. Every day is perfect. This is perfect every day. I could live here. Okay, I don't know for long, but I could for a little bit. Being in Turks and having a great time. Woo woo. Oh. Oh. Oh, chaser.
Oh shit.
Oh. Oh my gosh, just.
Oh,
so we're getting ready to go to shoot. Carolyn, what's it called?
I think fish fry.
Oh yeah, it's called Fish Fry. Which is like a dining slash like, I don't know. It's you can eat there, you can dance, it's like a mixture of things. So we're kind of getting ready to go to that, and we'll see how it goes. And a couple people have asked me about my hair. This is Crochet. So we're getting ready to go. How you feeling?
Good.
Very good?
Very nice.
So we're getting ready to go to the place I explained to you. Whew. Guys, I'm a little tipsy and a little...
Come on,
So we are in day 3.
Day three.
Look how cute look at how cute.
Oh,
we ain't even ready for her cuteness. Day 3, and we're going to eat, walk around, and some. That was a serious turn. So the steering wheel is on the right side, but they drive on the left side. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of been something you have to get used to. Especially this little blinker thingy is on the right side, and Carolyn and I keep touching like that. We keep doing that. But anyways, we got used to it. But no, we're still getting used to it. That's a lie. But it's kind of complicated. So both sides, people drive on either the left or the right. Your steering wheel can either be on the left or the right, which is really interesting. And anyways, yeah, we're about to go on a cruise and snorkeling. I'm so excited.
hatches. You're equipped with life jackets. Pretty simple to use. Pull them down, place them around your neck. There's a light and whistle onto it, also a strap that clips on. At the back of the boat, we have a life ring, just in case. Tastes like chicken.
What is it?
Eat it.
Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it!
Bite it.
Just suck it
Eat
down.
it, eat it, eat
Just
it.
suck it in. Just suck it. Just suck it down.
The whole thing! The whole thing!
Just suck it
Oh!
Well done.
What is that?
You better find a man later.
I'm grossed up for you
in.
doing
An
that.
aphrodisiac. What they say, it's an aphrodisiac. Yeah, yeah.
Explain what that will do for that young lady.
Jesus Christ.
You won't sleep for a week.
Should I really do that?
Yes. Oh no, there's children.
You gotta keep it. Yeah, I just do the PG-13 version. So that's not really what we just ate. That's the spine of the conch. The backbone on the conch. So a long time ago, you know, before we know anything, my grandmother used to do the ponytail on the island. And all the reds were in a lot of trouble at 8 o'clock. So guys, yeah, this is also a male conch. You guys see the eyes right there, the two eyes. So he's looking at you guys like, please don't put me in that salad. So the skin is almost tough as a shark skin. You cut on there, everything peels off.
It just looked nice. No, it's not nice. Creepy.
So would you guys feel better if I said this one volunteered to take one for the team? Chose to try.
Have you ever had the pearl?
About lunch and making sure they ain't saving it. I mean, they ain't serving it.
Alright guys, all aboard!
So it's our last full day in Turks, and then we're on to Jamaica. Jamaica. So on our last one, we're taking our
Last little bit of a party left.
just a little bit, to just a great trip. A great trip. Ooh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have money upon New York City, Atlanta, Orlando, Ohio, Chicago, Philadelphia, LA, Beach City, Texas, United States of America.
So I actually hated my hair when I first did it, because I did the day before we came here, but I've gotten so many compliments on it. And this is like the ombre crochet with an invisible part, so it kind of blends in with my own hair. So somebody asked me to do a video about staying in Turks and Caicos and living affordably, like minimally. It is expensive here. We paid, I'll tell you, it was $6.95. One box of Cocoa Puffs. $6.95.